Hey guys, and welcome back to Emily Entertainment. My name is Emily, and today we're going to be doing how-to video. So I'm really excited, and if you haven't read by the title of this video, we are going to be doing a how to make fancy butter slime. And I also want to just say, if you watched my last video, you'll see I was wearing this exact shirt. I promise you I've not been wearing this shirt all day. I actually do have different clothes, and I changed, so yeah. Just if you were thinking that, I don't know if you were or not, but let's get right on into this video. Okay, so to start off this how-to, we are going to need mixing tools. So I have a fork, and then you're gonna need a bowl. You can use either a bowl or, like, I used to use a measuring cup to put my ingredients in, but now I have a bowl. And you're also gonna need some glue, and as I said in the beginning, it's going to be fancy, so I'm using clear glue, not white glue. Usually you'd use white glue, but I'm not. And then I'm going to pick randomly out of my scents. I have a bunch of random scents here. So I'm going to pick randomly out of that, depending on what kind of slime I'm making, like what color. And speaking of color, you're going to need food coloring, one of them, and some pigments. But if you do not have that, that is totally okay. And the last thing we are going to be adding, well, obviously not the last thing, but like the last ingredient, other than the main ingredient, is this glow-in-the-dark powder. Now comes to our last ingredient, and that's the main ingredient, which is clay. So let's get right on into this video. So the first thing you want to do is open the glue bottle. And I'm using Elmer's glue, so I think it's a really good glue. I love using Elmer's, and it's like very strong for slime. And Elmer's actually has a lot of different types of glue, like glitter glue, glow-in-the-dark glue, just plain glue, and lots of glue in different sizes too. So I'm just going to dump some in, and it doesn't matter how much you want, it just depends on how much slime you want. Now I'm going to add like a little more, because I'm kind of running out of small containers. So I'm going to add more, so I don't need a small container. I can use a big container. Now we're going to put the lid on that. And honestly, guys, I'm just going to throw a curveball in. You can use whatever you want. So I'm actually going to use this nice ocean mist. It's like a hand soap, but it's like a little pump. And I add some of that sometimes. Honestly, you guys don't have to, because I know a lot of you probably do not have that exact hand pump as me. I just add it sometimes. It doesn't do anything much. Just adds a little nice kind of scent if you're not going to add a scent. And it's just like a really nice kind of add. So now we're going to add our color. So I think for this color, I'm going to be going for a red. I will be going for a red. So here's my food coloring, and then I'm going to be adding this cherry pigment. So the cherry pigment's kind of a mix between like a pink and a rosy red. So I'm going to add 3 pumps of this. And let's just open this up and move this closer so you can see. And I'm going to add some of this pigment. Now, guys, if you are looking for pigment, if you have Amazon, that's where I bought my pigment. It actually is a soap dye pigment. So if you want that, all you have to do is hop on Amazon and type in pigments, and this pigment will show up along with some other great pigments. So yeah, now let's just mix it all in. And it's gonna look like mine looks like a very nice rosy pink, but like really red pink and metallic because of the pigment. And I'm happy with this color. If you guys aren't happy with the color you get, if you are following this, then change the colors up how you want. The colors are easy to mix. Like, you can add a bunch of different colors. If I wanted, I could add yellow and make this orange, or whatever you want to add to your slime. This is your slime. this is my slime, so I'm going to be adding what I want for this slime. But you guys make your own slime, make it your slime, as I like saying. Make it personal. Like, no one else can make this slime for you. But yeah, anyways, you can see the really metallicness. Like, if I just do that, you can see the metallic little bits in there. Anyways, next we are going to be adding a scent. So I'm just going to go along with the cherry kind of thing and add some black cherry merlot scent. This is an amazing scent. And I got this from Bath & Body Works. And honestly, just a tip, if you guys want scents for slime, hand sanitizer, they work amazing. And that just came to my mind one day. I was just like, scents for slime, I need scents for slime, but where do I buy them? I know, hand sanitizer. I have lots of hand sanitizer that I can use, and it's honestly great, and it smells fantastic in slime. And another scent I use is, I actually got this from my local grocery store. It's the Clubhouse, and it's banana extract. And it's a scent, but it's like extract. So that's also scent, and it's banana scented, the one I got. But anyways, let's get back onto this slime. It smells fantastic. Let me just move this closer so you can see. Fantastic. So the next thing I'm going to add is I also didn't mention that we're going to be activating this. So we obviously need activator, a trusty old activator, baking soda, and contact lens solution. And there's a lot of different kinds of activators, but I'm not even going to get started into that. But anyways, let's add our glow-in-the-dark powder. Now, since I am using clear slime, it is going to kind of be a little like foggy with this in it. But you want to make sure you mix this up good, even though it's going to get foggy, because if you don't mix it up good, then it's only going to be glow-in-the-dark in some parts. And for it to glow in the dark, you need to put it up to some light. Sunlight works, just normal lights work, but that's this kind of glow-in-the-dark pigment that I use. So yeah, let's get mixing this up. Alright guys, so we have it all mixed up. It's actually at a very nice consistency. Just smell it. It smells amazing. It's very metallic, and now all we gotta do is activate and then move on to our secret ingredient. So what you want to do for activating, sorry, my cup was dropping, you want to get a little bit, like I use a 1 teaspoon thing of baking soda, but you don't want to use it all. You want to just get like that much and dump that on in. Make sure you get it all out. You want to use like, it depends on how much slime you made in order to how much baking soda you add, but you don't want to add too much baking soda. And once you add it, you want to make sure you mix it in very good. So I'm going to do that. And the baking soda is mixed. So now all we have to do is add our activator. A good amount of activator. Some people say add it slowly, but I add it actually kind of fast, like all at one time, and then I mix, and then I add some more if it needs it. So yeah, I just add a lot at a time. But you know, you have to like consider how big your slime is to tell how much you need to add. So this is a pretty like decent big slime. I mean, it's not big, but it's like decently big. And it will start to activate right away, like not fully, but you'll see it's coming together. You see here. So I'm going to get this all activated, and then I'll be back when we're going to add our clay to finish this slime. Okay guys, so I'm done activating. Oh, there's a bubble forming. Do you see this bubble? I just popped it. Okay, anyways. I have finished activating. That took a while, and it's still kind of sticky, which I like having it a little bit sticky when I'm going to add the clay. So let's add some. You're just going to want to take a chunk of it, obviously not that big. I'm going to take about this much and just add this into my slime. okay? So we have this added into the slime, and this is so soft. Sorry, Blue, I don't know if you heard him, but Blue's here. Blue loves coming down here when I'm making slime. He's been here in the last video. Go check that out. That video was super fun. And the challenge is, go find the video. I'm not even going to tell you the name of it. You have to just go find it, okay? It's on Emily Entertainment. So search through my videos. It's one of my slime videos. I know which one it is. So comment down below once you find it, and I'll say yes or no. So yeah, anyways, I kind of didn't talk about this while I was doing it, but I just did it, so I added it in. Woo! Come say hi to the viewers. It's kind of looking like cotton candy. It's super fluffy and buttery, as it's supposed to be. And see, as I said, it was kind of sticky. Now it's not as sticky because it has the clay in it, which is kind of like contains it and makes it sturdier and stronger, I guess. And of course lighter because you're adding white onto the color. So that's why I made it with clear slime. And also, because if you didn't make it with clear slime, then when you did this, it wouldn't be that clear. It'd be more white and foggy. But I mean, I have to admit this is kind of foggy because, first of all, you added clay to this, and second of all, you've been mixing for so long. So I wonder what it would look like with, when it's not foggy anymore. That'd probably look very cool. So yeah, I'm just going to mix this in, probably play with it for a bit, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I just want to say, before I say thank you for watching and everything, let's test and see if this is a true butter slime. So all you have to do is like bunch it up there and then spread it. And you know, we're actually going to also grab our handy dandy utensil and spread it too. Oh my god, that is very, very cool. And it makes a cool sound too. And it reminds me of cake batter and stuff. So let's do some ASMR with it. So okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, remember to smash that like button. I messed up again. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you never miss another one of these videos. And yeah, so remember, subscribe challenge is on. Subscribe challenge is on, as I just said. And that means if you are the first subscriber to subscribe, well, not the first, but the next subscriber to subscribe, you get a shout out in the next video. So I'm so excited to see who's my first subscriber and who gets a shout out. Now, before I go, I just want to show you something. This is another beautiful butter slime I just made. It's very nice and thick, and I love it so much. And it's actually green, so if you want to see me merge some like these two slimes together, I mean, I like this pink one a lot better. It's way more smoother than this green one, but if you want to see me merge them, I can merge them, but only for you guys and only if you comment down below. So make sure to do that. And thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, guys, goodbye.